This is a non-sleep, deep rest practice to reset the nervous system and bring you into a deep state of relaxation. Find a quiet space lying down on your back and make yourself feel as comfortable as possible, closing down your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Observe your breathing, and as you inhale, feel as if your rib cage is moving out to the sides. And as you exhale, feel your ribs moving back inwards. Now, when you exhale, purse your lips as if you are exhaling through a straw. Exhale fully. When we fully exhale, we find it easier to inhale. Continue this pattern, inhaling and feeling your rib cage move outwards, and exhaling as if you are blowing through a straw. We're now going to carry out a passive progressive muscle relaxation technique. This passive process involves bringing your attention to each muscle group in the body and then consciously releasing any tension and tightness or discomfort that you notice in each part of the body as best you can. We'll move progressively through different muscle groups of the body, beginning at the toes and ending at the head. Firstly, bring your attention to your feet and toes. Notice any tension you may be holding there. Imagine that tension slowly melting away. Feel your feet and toes becoming heavy and relaxed. Now shift your focus to your lower legs, your calves and shins. And also your knees. Noticing any tightness or tension or discomfort in your lower limbs. Allowing these muscles to soften and release. Feeling them become heavy and relaxed. Move your attention to your upper legs, your thighs, and hamstrings. Become aware of any sensations in this area. Let go of any tension and feel your upper legs sinking deeper into relaxation. Bring your awareness to your hips and pelvic area, noticing any tightness, tension, or discomfort. Allow these muscles to relax completely, feeling a sense of ease and comfort spreading through this area. Shift your focus to your abdomen and lower back. Become aware of your breathing here. And as you exhale, release any tension you may be holding in your abdomen and lower back. Now focus on your chest and upper back. Notice any tightness or tension. And with each exhalation, feel any tension melting away, allowing these muscles in your chest and upper back to soften and relax. Move your attention to your shoulders. Imagine any tension there melting away. Feel your shoulders becoming loose and relaxed. Shift your focus to your arms and hands. Notice if there is any tightness or tension in either arm or hand. Release any tension in your arms. Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed. Release any tension in your fingers. Feel the tension melt away. Bring your awareness to your neck and throat. Notice any tension you may be holding here. Let go of any tightness that you may be feeling in your neck. Feel your neck and throat becoming more relaxed and at ease. Focus on your face and head. Notice any tightness in your forehead. Release any tension in your forehead. Bring your attention to your eyes and your eyelids. Relax the muscles around your eyes. Feel your eyelids becoming heavy. Release the tension in your jaw. Allow all the muscles in your face to soften and relax. Focus on your scalp and feel as if a wave of relaxation and gentle energy is entering your scalp and spreading around your head and down throughout your entire body. In a few moments, I'm going to count to 3, and then you will be transported to a scene where you are sitting on the golden sand of a very quiet beach. A short distance away, you will hear and see the waves of the ocean. I will now count to 3. 1, 2, 3. You are now sitting on the golden sand of a very quiet, secluded beach. The sand beneath you is warm, soft. Each grain of sand is like a tiny gem, shimmering under the gentle sunlight. You feel completely supported and comfortable, as if you are sitting on a blanket of pure gold. Above you, the sky stretches out endlessly. A brilliant blue with a few wispy clouds slowly drifting by. The sun is high, but its rays are kind and soothing, casting a gentle warmth that seeps into your skin, relaxing every muscle. You feel the sun's energy recharging you, filling you with a sense of peace and vitality. Just in front of you, the ocean extends to the horizon. Its waters a blend of turquoise and deep blue. The waves are gentle, rolling in and out with a rhythmic, calming sound, leaving behind patterns on the sand. You hear the natural sounds of the beach, soothing rhythm of the waves, the distant call of a bird, and the soft rustle of palm leaves swaying in the gentle breeze. This harmony of sounds is nature's lullaby, moving you into an even deeper state of relaxation. Feel the gentle breeze that occasionally brushes over your skin. And as you breathe in, let the fresh ocean air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, imagine any tension or stress being carried away by the wind. Feel as if you are completely connected to this place. Golden sand, the gentle waves, the vast sky, the warm sun, all feel like an extension of yourself. And you are a part of nature. Now release this imagery and spend the next few moments in silence. When you are ready, with eyes remaining closed, slowly bring your awareness back to your environment. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Lean your head to the left, then lean your head to your right. Return your head to a neutral position. Take a deep breath and gently open your eyes. Take your time to sit up or stand, carrying this sense of relaxation with you through the rest of your day. This was a non-sleep deep rest practice. Non-sleep deep rest is based on the much older practice and tradition of Yoga Nidra, which is both a form of guided meditation and a unique state of consciousness that's often described as peace beyond words. If you've not practiced a Yoga Nidra meditation before, do try out one of the Yoga Nidra meditation videos on this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe or share it. My name is Chantel. Thanks for joining me for this non-sleep deep rest practice.